Right, we are doing question 2, which is to do with the scatter graph. Right, two things where you can go wrong on the scatter graph is the scale on the horizontal axis or the vertical axis. Always make sure you check your scale and get the numbers right. Right, first thing, we have a positive correlation. We can see all the crosses going up. We can't say it's very strong correlation, but it is positive going up. Means there is a relationship between number of documents checked. As the number of documents checked increases, the total number of errors increases. Right, let's see how we can tackle this question. Right, first they say another day 90 documents are checked. Right, these are documents. We can check the document horizontal line. 90, we can see here 80, 100, then halfway is 90. Then we write down 90 here. There is a total of 17 errors. Then errors is the vertical line. 17 is somewhere between 15 and 20. Now we have to check how many boxes we have here. In total we have 10 gaps. Then what we can say, each 2 gaps equal 1. Then that one will be 16 here, 17. I'll carry on to check 18, 19, and 2 gaps, which is 20. We are correct there. Then show this information on the graph. We got 90 there. Then what you do, you draw a vertical dotted line and you go to the 17. You draw again a dotted horizontal line and your cross will be somewhere there. Okay, now question 1 is done. B, describe the correlation between the number of documents and so on. The correlation between those two. If they mention the word correlation, then you can use positive, negative, or no correlation. In this case, we got crosses going up. That is a positive correlation. If they say what's the relationship, then in your conclusion, you have to say, as the number of documents checked increases, the number of, or the total number of errors is increasing, and we can see here on the graph. But in this case, they mention correlation, then we have positive, negative, or no correlation, in this case positive. One day, 110 documents are checked. We go down to number of documents, we find 110, somewhere here. Estimate the total number of these documents. To estimate the number of documents, what you need to do, you need to draw the line of best fit. Right, common mistakes, students what will do, they will draw line best fit because we have more crosses here and they ignore completely these crosses. Then what we do, we have to go somewhere in between those two, but my best estimate here can be, that is the line of best fit. Right, 110, what we do, we go, you draw a vertical line here, then a horizontal line there, okay? And by drawing these 2 lines, one here, one there, already will give you 1 mark. As you can see here, there are 2 marks for this question. 1 mark by just drawing these 2 lines, and the second mark comes from reading your point there, which is in this case 16.